What up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to take you guys through my sim rig. It's almost set up. I'm still waiting on two items to come in the mail. My keyboard tray and the monitor mount, which obviously pretty important item. So it's not fully done yet until at least the monitor mount comes in. And the way it's looking, they're both coming together, so I'm hoping sometime soon in the next week or so I'll have everything in and I'll be able to finish this build. But I wanted to let you guys get a look at it because it's basically done. I mean, the monitor mount won't change too much for how it looks, so here we go, let's do it. So this is the Trak Racer TR80, featuring the Fanatec DD side mounts, and I didn't change. I made a few modifications, but you guys can't really see them off the get-go. So we got our PC shelf, which probably won't have our PC, but will feature another item which I'll get to for some part way through this tour. Got our DD1 with the side mounts, rally seat, and that's on our little adjusting slider. And then we've got the Club Sport V3 pedals attached to the pedal mount. This was kind of a pain to get set up, especially just like fine tuning in terms of position and whatnot. Took a lot of iterations and over a couple of days for me to finally get it how I liked it, but that was mostly because I'm working right now, so I couldn't really work too much on it every day. And then as far as things I've changed from the base instructions, which I actually will be releasing a build video for you guys. I'm not going to release it until I've actually built the whole thing, so waiting for monitor mount and keyboard tray, but I will take you guys through this whole build at some point, so just be ready for that, and I'll obviously get into more details then. But still haven't attached a cup holder yet, but that's because I don't have the right size Allen wrench. But yeah, so this is supposed to be the additional side support, and it's supposed to attach right here, but I decided to move it out onto the side, which hasn't really affected the stiffness at all. I've tried just doing some random gear changes and everything seems okay. But the problem before with this massive Fanatec shifter with its little base mount, if you had it connected here and you adjusted this to like a reasonable height, it would be rubbing against the chair. So easier just to move it out a little bit and then hook it up right here. And then as you guys can also see, well, this is that's an upgrade for the PC, but I got my mouse tray right here, and then also underneath we've got a nice Butt Kicker Gamer 2 with a mount that I got off of eBay. I actually found this thanks to another YouTube user who's also got a TR80, and I'll be sure to mention who that is, as well as give you guys a link to where I got this mount for the butt kicker. He mentions the same link that I'll be showing you guys in his video, which I'll try to add on to this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's almost there. Hopefully, like I said, next week or so everything will be in and I'll be able to fully finish this thing and start racing. So I'm excited to get to that point, but for now this is gonna hold me over, just being able to look at this and sit in it, which is what I've done. I think when I finished building this thing, I probably sat in it for about a good hour or so, just like, yeah, I really did that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the tour, and like I said, I'll be getting a build video out pretty soon, and I'll go into the finer details and kind of my opinions of the process, and I'll, I guess, show how well the folks over at Trak Racer did at providing proper instructions for getting the rig built. So all that coming soon, but in the meantime, we'll just have to wait. So thanks for watching, guys, and be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Peace.